Hey guys, this is your boy Philip Ozu TV. So in previous video, I showed you step by step on exactly how you can sign up for Exness and how you can actually answer the questionnaire to be able to qualify for the $500 deposit. But today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can verify your identity. So the right thing to do to ensure that your application was actually approved. So over here, as you can see, I'm already in my dashboard. So all I have to do is to click on complete a profile to ensure I do my verification. So right now, the next thing that I'm supposed to do is to verify my name. So over here, this is my full name. So if you want to make sure that your account is fully verified, ensure that this your name actually tally or match it up with the ID card, maybe international passport or voter's card or driving license you want to upload. So ensure that the name actually matches. So I'm going to click on upload the document because I already have the document inside my laptop. So I'm going to actually the data agreement data. So I'm going to click on confirm, then actually click on submit a document. So over here, I'm going to use my BVN to actually confirm this particular, or I can skip the BVN or use my passport. So let me skip the BVN, use my passport. So as you can see, there are different documents you can actually use to verify your Exness. You can use your international passport, you can use your driver license, a national ID card, digital ID, or the front. You are going to need the front and back. Also, if you have the digital NIN slip, the front and back, you are going to need it, and also you can either use them. So they have a lot of cards you can actually use, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my passport for the verification. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Then as you can see, this is the right guide for you to do the for you to actually make sure you do your snapping of the card. So it's going to show all the four edge, like all the four corner. Ensure that it is actually clear and it show all the information about your card. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, then actually click on upload because I already have it downloaded on my laptop. So I'm going to blur the information out. So this is it. Then click on open, then submit. So I'm going to blur this information out because it's very sensitive and very important that I should block it so that it will not be against YouTube policy. Then click on submit. So I'm going to click on submit because I've already uploaded it. So as you can see, your document is under review. So as you can see, it's going to take like 48 to 24 hours before they can actually verify this document. As you can see, all set. Now deposit. So I'm going to click on deposit. I believe my document is verified. Let me see. I believe it is verified. As you can see, my document is fully verified. It is automatic. So as you can see, your identity is fully verified. So before you are going to do the deposit, there is one important thing you have to note. So let me go over to my account to show you what is very important for you to do. So the first thing that you are supposed to do is to open a trading account. So I'm going to click on open an account. Then choose, like I'm going to set up my account over here. So there are different packages you can choose. You can choose the standard package, which is very popular, and the fee is about 0.2. So, and if you are choosing the pro account, you can actually deposit up to $500. This one is $10 minimum. So, and if you are choosing a raw spread, this one actually allow you to deposit minimum of 500 and zero fee. So they're not going to charge you any zero fee. So for me as a beginner or as someone starting out, I'm going to choose the standard fee, which is the one recommends standard one. So then scroll down a little bit, then click on continue. So I'm going to click on continue. Then the account is going to be opening for me. So over here, as you can see, I'm going to choose the platform, which is Meta 5. So you can choose Meta 4 or Meta 5. I think Meta 5 is very much okay. Then as you can see, you are going to choose your currency depending on the country you are residing. If you are residing in UK, you are going to choose pounds, but I'm actually residing in Nigeria, so US dollar should be a good deal for me. So I can choose any kind of nickname for it. Then scroll down a little bit, then choose a password for this particular Meta account. So I'm going to choose a password for it. Then create an account. So by creating this account, it will ensure that whenever I'm depositing, I can be able to deposit to this particular account. So in consequent video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can deposit to this Exness. So you can use different methods for your deposit. Let me go back to deposit. So I'm going to show you can deposit through crypto, you can deposit through bank transfer, different methods. You can pay with your card, you can use Nutella, you can use True. So ensure you actually subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a series on how you can use maybe Binance, OKS, or different platforms to do a deposit to this Exness platform. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have not signed up, ensure you check the description of this video to actually sign up using the link I'm providing inside the video description. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.